So every day just about, we take Dobby for a walk in the storage units. There are more storage units down that way. But when we come this far, we discovered something interesting the other day right over there. And it's quite nice. We discovered a secret pathway to a secret meadow in the city. With deer. So, right over here, we noticed a little pathway. Sometimes we don't want to walk Dobby too far from home, and I wouldn't ever come here by myself, but it's pretty cool. And we're actually right behind Chestnut Street over here. Over behind this wall is the cement mixing business. Some of this area over here is private property. This doesn't seem to be. Hopefully we don't get yelled at and kicked out. I think this is private or public property, although I'm not sure really. But it's pretty nice to have a little country woodsy meadow in the middle of the city. Over that way is the cement area. It says an old sign that said private property there. No deer today. Over that way is Chestnut Street, and the lawyer's office is over there. So it's pretty cool. See, there's the campground. You can see cars driving by on Chestnut Street. Look at that. Isn't this cool? That's what's behind the lawyer's office, in case you're ever wondering. Here we are on the very edge. There's like a little creek in this ditch, and you can see the lawyer's office right over there. What? Oh yeah, there's the water. I don't know if the camera can see it, but it's there.